fish is up there somewhere. Now I see it.
Yeah.
50%.
Okay.
Gonna do it over the grass.
Bomb safety locked. Warning, bomb release. 25 for 50%.
Did you see that?
Yep.
Awesome.
25%. 50%. 25%. 50%. 50%. 50%. 25%. 0. 25. 0. 25%. 0. Gear up. Time remaining 3 minutes.
On the runway.
Warning, bomb release. 50% ease. 0. 25. 50%. Time remaining 2 minutes. 50%. 25%. 50%.
I should have got that one.
Brake reverse ball. 50%. Gear up. 50%. 50%. 50%. 50%. 50%. Warning. 8. 0. 25 for 6. 0.
Beautiful. Give me a second to get that bomb.
Oh yeah.
James.
25%.
Turn it up.
It's not my style of, you know what? I don't fly. I'm a
Dang gum, that didn't take any time to get off that one.
Fifth 0. 25%. 50%.
Yeah, go around and then come back with the bomb.
Time remaining 3 minutes.
Try to be
50%. 50%. 50%. 50%. 50%. Warning bomb room 50%. Warning bomb room 50%. 25 for 50%.
It reappeared pretty quick though.
Can we get that picture, please? Did I hear that right? You got a hold?
Wow.
Gear down. 0. Warning, 20 seconds.
You ever seen them remote control birds? Butterflies.
Gear up. 50%.
Landing right to left.
Yeah,
50%.
it was flying.
1 minute. 25%. 50%.
You were.
Gear up. 50%. 0. 1 minute. Gear down. Landing flaps. 0. 25%. 0. 25%. 0. Speed brake deployed. 25%. 0. 20. Gear up. Fuel remaining 3 minutes 9 seconds. 50. 0.
Captured the roll, but it got the takeoff.
25. 50%. Time remaining 3 minutes.
Wow.
0. 50%.
That is cool. That is super cool. Woo-hoo-hoo!
G-force 4.28. 50%. 0. 25%. 50%. 50%. Fuel remaining 2 minutes 22 seconds. G-force 4.47.
Wow, that's cool. That's incredible.
What 50%? Landing flaps. 25%. 0. 20. 0. 25. 0. Brake reverse mode.
Out there, yes, clear.